Tinkerbell began using her horns at every chance. The postman, the fruit seller, and our cook all had complaints to make. They dared not turn their back on dear Tinkerbell. Okay, so after that, what happened? That Tinkerbell is now using her horns to everybody. Means जो भी वहाँ पे आता था, जो भी उसको बैग दिखाता था, वो उसको जाके हिट कर देती थी. Whether it is postman, fruit seller, cook, or anyone, everyone is complaining about Tinkerbell that she is hitting them. The climax came during the visit of one of my aunts. She had been bending over a pot in the garden, looking at the geranium, which Tinkerbell decided to use her horns to move her out of the way. Here, climax means the most important part of a story. Okay, so here comes the most important part, the main part of the story. That is when one of her aunt come to visit them. Okay, एक aunt उसकी आई, and when the aunt is bending over the pot, वो अपने pot के ऊपर देख रही थी, तो Tinkerbell that moved towards her and hit him with her horns. Okay, तो उसने decide किया कि वो उसको उनको भी hit करेगी. It was the end of Tinkerbell's stay with us. My aunt insisted that she had been badly injured, though she refused grandfather's offer of first aid. Grandmother ordered the cook to take Tinkerbell straight to the bazaar and sell her to the first customer who came along. Okay, after here insisted means stated something strongly. So the aunt insisted that उनको ऐसा बोला that she has been इंजर्ड, उन काफ़ी लग गई है बैडली, बट शी रिफ्यूज टू टेक द फर्स्ट एड. उन्होंने रिफ्यूज़ किया फर्स्ट एड टेक करने से. एंड इट इज़ द लास्ट थिंग, मतलब दिस इज़ द लास्ट चांस दैट टिंकरबेल कैन स्टे विद देम. नाउ grandmother refused to make her stay there. Okay, so she told cook to take the Tinkerbell and sell it. Okay, तो उन्होंने grandmother ने cook को बोला that you must go to the market and sell her, कि तुम market जाके इसे बेच दो. Tinkerbell seemed to know she was being taken away forever. Her eyes were quite moist as she was dragged unwillingly down the road of the bazaar. Here, dragged unwillingly means pulled against one's wish. Then जो Tinkerbell शायद उससे पता चल गया था that she was taken away, वहाँ से उसे ले जाया जा रहा है. So her eyes was moist means उसकी आँखें भर आ गई थी, मतलब रोने जैसा हो गया था. And she was not happy that she was taken away from that. Okay, so the cook dragged him, वो उसे खींच रहा था, but she was not happy with that. I stood at the gate and watched her being led away. She kept looking back and pleading, wondering why I was not going along with her on this particular walk. I could only wave to her and hope that her next owner would be kind. Here, bleating means calling out or the call of a god. Okay, so after that, when the cook was taking her away, the boy stood at the gate. वो गेट के वहाँ खड़ा है and keep staring at the goat, and goat also was refusing to go with the cook. वो refuse कर रही थी, वो रुकने की कोशिश कर रही थी, but she was small and cook was strong, so the cook just take her off. Okay, and the boy is also hoping that the next owner होगा इसका, जो next उसको खरीदेगा वो बस kind हो उसकी तरफ, मतलब वो अच्छा हो. When the cook came back, he said that Tinkerbell had been sold for ₹1, but later he told me that he had not sold Tinkerbell, but had taken her to his own house where she would be looked after well. So he was hoping that next owner will be kind. Then cook returned back. जब वो वापस आया, then he told that the Tinkerbell is sold and it been sold for ₹1. वो ₹1 में sold हो चुकी है. But later then cook told the boy that he had taken Tinkerbell to his house. वो अपने घर पे रह गया and he will properly take care of Tinkerbell at his house, और वहाँ पे उसकी properly अच्छे से care करेंगे. I did visit Tinkerbell occasionally, and in due course I found her with a little white kid. Tinkerbell was going to the cook's family a good supply of milk, and they were very pleased with her. She was very friendly with everyone in the cook's house and only butted strangers who bent too low when giving the unusual salam. Here, salam means a way of greeting someone. The boy sometimes visits the Tinkerbell to meet her, went to the cook house also. And now Tinkerbell is one more family member, that is a white kid, means she's give birth to a kid now, okay, a little god. And she was giving milk to the cook family. वो cook family को milk दे रही थी enough. And they all were very happy with the Tinkerbell. वो काफ़ी खुश थे उससे. And now she is also very happy there, and she only butted those people who are strangers. वो सिर्फ strangers को hit करती थी. And when they just bow down, मतलब वो जब काफ़ी नीचे bent होते हैं तभी, otherwise she did not hit anyone. Here we completed our chapter. Let us read about author. Ruskin, born 1934, is one of the India's best-loved storytellers. He has spent most of his life in Dehradun and loves writing about the forest, hill stations and people of this region. His most popular works are The Room on the Roof and Our Trees Still Grow in Dehra. He was honored with the Sahitya Akademi Award in 1992, the Padma Shri in 1999 and the Padma Bhushan in 2014. He now lives with his family in Landur, Mussoorie. Okay, so Ruskin Bond is a very famous storyteller and story writer. Means he's from India only, from Dehradun, and he loves to tell stories. And he's one of the best storytellers. You must hear of him. And he writes about the forest, hill station, and people of Dehradun region most of the time. His popular works are, जो popular books है उनकी वो है The Book on the Roof and Our Trees Still Grow in Dehra. Okay, he got many awards also, like Sahitya Akademi Award in 1992, Padma Shri in 1999, Padma Bhushan in 2014. Okay, so he got many awards also, and he is now living in Mussoorie. वो अभी मसूरी में रह रहे हैं. Okay, here we completed our chapter. Thank you.